Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a contact us page on the GoDaddy. So let's get started. First of all, go on the website. Now once you are in, you have to go on this gear icon and add the page. Now you have to give a name to the page title and click on the create page. Now you have to go on that page and add the section. Click on the contact and add it. Now here you have to scroll down and add the title. And also add the description here. So yeah, this is how you can make a contact us page on the GoDaddy.